Everybody, there was left at my front door this morning. Thankfully, the box is insulated. It was raw ice. I'm doing another HelloFresh unboxing. See what's in the box. Those are the recipe sheets. Sweet chili chicken green bean stir fry. Travel series. A promotional sheet. Dad's grilled lemon chicken Caesar salad. Well, chicken Caesar salad. Pesto chicken salad lettuce wraps. Quick. Two other three recipes are quick and easy. Dry ice. I know. This is the ingredient bag for the pesto chicken salad wrap. Sweet chili chicken and green bean stir fry ingredient bag. Dad's grill lunch Caesar salad ingredient bag. You get these ingredient bags when you order from HelloFresh. Dry ice and the meat's under the dry ice. If you're not in the know. Chicken breast. I have to cook that. I have to cook this. Chicken thighs. Have to cook that. And the maple sausage. Doesn't take long to cook. Maple pork breakfast sausage. Your typical breakfast sausage, but healthier. Break down now in this box. Your promote more promotional material. Like give the empty bucket sign, try to ship something, or trying to move. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to want future videos from me, or turn on notifications. And when want to subscribe, like to no one miss anything, feel free to like the video also. Thanks for watching.